Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, we are going to talk about pen tool, how you can use pen tool for your work. So here I am going to search pen tool and open this. From here you can see file, home and view. If I click on file, you can see new, open, save as, or you can print your pen file. In home you can see this, our page and many things you can see. In the view you can see rulers, guidelines. If I enable rulers, you can see our rulers. And if I enable grid lines, you can see our grid lines. If I click on full screen, our page will be full screen like this. A double click, you can disable this. So I'm going to disable this two option. Or you can zoom in your page or zoom out your page like this. So go to home. In home you can see resize, rotate. If I resize this, I can easily resize my canvas. Like this. In rotate I can rotate my canvas like this. So horizontally to vertically. You can see this in tools. There are many options available. The first one is pencil. We can drag like this pencil and pen bucket tool like this. If I type something, you can see in here. You can also change font size or this style. Like this, you can change anything. So if I draw something in here with brush, you can also select pen, or there are various type of brush you can see in here. If I select this one, like you can see, now I can delete this. Now I can delete like this. Or I can change size like this. I move to undo this. So which size you can change your size, brush size or eraser size with this. Now I'm going to choose another brush and I'm going to select these shapes. There are many shapes available. Like this, you can adjust this. I can use pen bucket tool. So guys, this is a quick tour of our pen tool in Windows. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.